Joe Ebusia Masai Atnasi be me din e the King Kobe came to the Kobe so what ya see na mote mun catches mote yen catch ba ne yen hwe Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko nsembe na ekoso e na yen hwe other news for Ghana Football Association. In fact, other Premier League clubs no yen hwe nseme ekona ansa na ebeba Kotoko so no say this channel is purposely for Kumasi Asante Kotoko what you see, but at times it me wia ye hu kakra na akɔhwɛ other nsensema koso other clubs mu but majority of the contents no Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko, but answer ebeba Kotoko so no yen hwɛ other news koso other nsensem na endra there is this groundbreaking record meaning say be Ghana football mu dia just one calendar year one particular club ebetimi age 5 trophies. Just one calendar year, one particular club ebeje 5 trophies. Ninyina major trophies. What I say major trophies. Now which team am I talking about? Hazakes Ladies. Hazakes Ladies. Endra omane ampem dakwa ladies no ball match na first ladies cup on. So the men and your president's cap bono. President's cap. But I'm board the female version or the women version of the president's cap on the first ladies cap. Na ampem dakwa ladies, amone Hazakes Ladies. But guess what? Ampem dakwa for na din kan to atena edi kan. But ewie no Hazakes eti omoka ayekoye 1-1 na ewie no penalty shootout and omodi decided the winner of the first ladies cup. Ewie no Hazakes 5 and Pem Dakwa 4. Enti Hazakes Ladies SIA emerge as the winners of the first ladies cup. Now share the year under review Hazakes Ladies trophies or margin any. First of all, Women's Premier League Hazakes Ladies NG, Women's FA Cup Hazakes Ladies Korea and SNG, and Women's Super Cup Hazakes Ladies NG, and Wafu Zombie competition. So Hazakes Ladies and Africa Wafu West Africa what you say Omokoje wo honso and your first ladies cup so Hazakes Ladies esa egisi omuna so and called Champions League maiden edition crowd or Women's CAF Champions League no so call final could this second and we are the silver medalist. That's Hazakes Ladies. It's Ghana Women's Premier League, FA Cup, Super Cup, Wafu Zombie, and then Ladies Cup no so first ladies cup no so man 5 trophies in all. It's what else do you expect from them? Swag more awards no I feel the best team of the year. I will say Hazakes Ladies. What you see? Hazakes Ladies, no doubt, best team of the year. Now, you know, I'm other stories. You know, I'm had to focus on Moko will be my so Jiria. I'm a you go bro, mo titi, 4 goes to 0. Now, reach, you know, Sika 70, Uhia 70. Oh, go phone to me a mantem, Omoka control, Afi, and has you know, I'm had to focus for Nkokrafui, Afi, and Wabu drew Ghana. Enra enyumre no mabedru Ghana na ne mobrowa nsema ekoso de bebre ma say snake nsense mi kra be pie my heart for so muntua snake ma snake for issue ni buy no musiw heart to folk my heart to folk then 10 omukotua part payment of the snake contribution and some young players no be then ngwa said the ba ogia left right front center back what I say hand the telling team heart to folk aba be draw mine mu Endra enyumre enomabedruye. They are out of the CAF Confederations Cup now. This is more 3 Premier League outstanding games. I also more against Brekum Chelsea, against Mediama SC, and against Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. It's the Yensha de Beko Premier League matches because this weekend. In fact, Koso Endra one match to draw. And then so other ones bet to ja the scoreline in bibia be boom na dia brem said the tie no ye wie ni sa no yembra Fabulous Kumasi Asante Kotoko enra team no ebo friendly game against Asakem Nsuta Beposo and Hona Kotoko wie che Kotoko edim kunim by 3 goals to 1 Lamte which Lamte is back on the ball first goal no and the man Krobia Asante Kotoko e wie che no and a Ganiu Captain Fantastic or second goal as a camp for no they pull one back money 2-1 but a reach no so no Safu Taylor a ball the winning goal last hour no and money 3 goals to 1 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Yempem Rena you go through these few highlights in Brazil here. enti de ekobai no kotoko 3 as a cam 1 enti yen to aso ne yen hwe other news a ekoso na game yi na
Go, Laute.
Say player I friend Sharif Mohammed no it's likely say obetimi a compete and I go focus Sharif Mohammed obetimi a compete Christopher Neti with the right back position because na as a utility player and draw Kinsey ball boy you know otimi say see you soon ya benya black say black Sharif fache me Sharif Mohammed e benya no so mfa so bebre dey makrobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So that's it in the friendly game no Steven Amanko na osiakan na okodi red card be and it was unnecessary. What him says na Amanko na he's doing everything possible to find his feet and Kotoko what you say ni position on players bit say Isaac Opon Joseph Amuakon muno munyina na pre position on ti or starting 1 2 3 and 1 yard no na or that bench. You see, people are fighting, say they should bring him back, but at the position you fight for it. What you say? One good news, Bama Krobia Santa Kotoko fans and say Justice Blay. We are breaking it today. Said Justice Blay is a Kotoko player. January Justice Blay oba back. So we stay there. Kotoko yene King Faisal a share a boy no more share 3 goes to 2 no. And my ultimate say na Agadas no Lamptey no these 2 players anyone Kotoko ye about first 20 minutes Kotoko ye did 2 goals and now no ding one because now the holding midfielder no only ho until Justice Blay the deal is done. We rejecting Mediama offer several times oba no most that be mean sign omo bam se mean sign omo bam se mean sign me kokuma se me kokumerica Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko eho ena me kra ewo munya me na me nko ma bo me contract ewi nti munya me mu na me den me nko wate ase obai no odoso nko akotoko fans yi kire no daso ewo ni tri ni remfi Justice Blay obi ani remfi asem daso wo ni tim to say ne kra ewo Kotoko munya no nko bo ne Kotoko no nko ne baby ono kra ne mfi ko ne nim enche no de ne football career no the baby ba bia na kuma wo de munya ne mu no nko bi de na kuma ewo that's Justice Blay, Chief Justice, and wanti or battles of Beka Agadas one and Bebra Kotoko ye. So Agadas, Richmond Lamptey, and Justice Blay, a Bebra Kotoko Pamuda Siri or Fabi Gavan position in there, Obian Fanem Prehon ever wanti. That's it about Justice Blay. Yet twice in the other news or Kotoko, to see the new bus, no, and then they see our cop social media be a come as a Kotoko new bus. Pictures asha see ba out na be hwa Kotoko Fabulous nyenyan picture bi ankyere mo because pictures na around ni bi nya papa until the official pictures na about na pese yi kyere mo na so no Kotoko your official pictures but moma yen hwe bus no interior no se de tie no was no ugrimu a se de emu sitie your toilet facility wo ho urinal like baby obetimi aye ohun ye nyina wo bus ni what you say it's 1 in a million wo Ghana ha say obi nya ntobi Krobia Kumasi Asante Kotoko na upon Sanda Roman in the management and Akofa de Abra Kotoko. Yankwan Kosha Kotoko Bass na eba no. The fact Ababi do Yankwan Kosha Mercy here. enti mu hu na etemosen mu amohwe bus mu etemosen what you say Marco Polo bus na ababedru Kumasi mountain so what you say na na aposa o say he bibia you do he run kotoko abra on Giscam few bia ho but ye ne sa pepepe bus we no na aposa na etimi asole city for fans and why then akopedi aba kotoko what you say enti no brand new enye second home use brand new bus na na yamponsa wakwakofa de abre Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Now one last news so Kotoko Stadium aba Kotoko Stadium Kotoko bo match bia na NSA, that's National Sports Authority, they take about 47% of the gate proceeds. It's too much. Kotoko bo bonus on your 300,000 cedis ye be wie no NSA betimi afa be 140,000 cedis na Kotoko akonya be 160,000 cedis. It's very bad. Very very bad into Kotoko no omo the ideas bia ba say even Qatar, a whole Qatar ba be hosti FIFA World Cup no FIFA World Cup on said there was no sporting events associated FIFA World Cup what you say maybe Olympic Games meeting na compete kakra but FIFA World Cup there but they overshadow any sporting activity but Qatar for no omo the container to say the area dakujachi omo the container ahihye stadium ba ko ho no mebo omo matches ni bi wa ho na ebe kono nti Kotoko form de na na amposa wa presenter to board nim say come on a whole FIFA World Cup ebe use container stadium their body and why can't we do follow the same model na you say enye bi nti the proposal na to management a board name but nti yet say it has been accepted by the board say you between the container stadium there then granted it is saying what's the plan, let's put paper on pen what you say na yenye plan na yen sha say enye project no nti Kotoko Stadium no ahoma sha say fa ho adwen say de be bobo we are gate process no ni nyina be ba crop bia Kumasi Asante Kotoko. In fact ubeti bi kra den rent for omom person be ye om shoes bi wo ho no ubeti mi dia rent omom kai Tottenham Hotspur ne even as Arsenal omom Emirates omom ti mi di rent nkofo ebebo ball so edinya more revenue for the club. Into why not Kotoko ebenya stadium that's a container na it's all revenue is coming to us. I think say best to see no Accra Sports Stadium on be lock for about 2 to 3 weeks because of Brunya eba omu hia stadium no dia ma artists no dia bo shows akese no monye ska enti mo Premier League na mo bona save 25% attendance no en face camera enti no sadia omo se o ma lock stadium no Oman kasa mu ko artist ba ohwa shows ebe baso ho no timi say Brunya na mpesa mo de enyam mo fa so free ba obe ende Ghana no enti Heart of Folk ne Lagos Cities ne Accra Lions ne Olympics mo nkope bebi nye den enkobo mo ball enti de etia ho ne emfa mo ensia say me din e de Kenkobi kin to the Kobi so de make sure no onya subscribe ya na subscribe ya man you better try say as the day goes by no you better try na ye all news be I will be there bremo this channel me din e de Kenkobi a fabulous zone for Porcupines by Porcupines. One love, I'm out.